Hello future civil engineers, welcome back to my channel. If you are starting your engineering journey, you already know that software like AutoCAD, Revit and StatPro are in demanding. But you do not need to spend a fortune to run them smoothly. You need a laptop with a strong processor and crucially a dedicated graphics card to handle 3D modeling without lagging. I have searched the market for models released last year and to find the perfect balance of power and price. So here are the top 3 best laptops for you all who are looking for laptops for civil engineering and under budget price. For all the laptops, I have provided the links in the description and also tagged in this video. And if you have any queries related to buying any new laptops, you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply you there. HP Victus 15. The HP Victus 15 is an excellent entry point because it provides dedicated NVIDIA RTX 4050 graphics card at a very accessible price point. This GPU is essential for rendering 3D structures in Revit smoothly. It features an updated cooling system that keeps the laptop stable during long rendering sessions. It also has a robust, durable chassis that can handle being carried around campus or to construction sites visits. This is the most reliable budget option for running civil engineering software. The plastic build is tough and the keyboard is comfortable for typing up long reports. While the screen is not the brightest for outdoor use, the performance inside is what counts. The combination of the Intel Core i5 processor and RTX 4050 GPU means you can run AutoCAD 2D and basic 3D modeling without any frustrating slowdowns. Lenovo LOQ 15 Generation 10. Lenovo's budget gaming laptop LOQ is perfect for civil engineering. We ranked it higher because it offers slightly better build quality and a faster RAM configuration than the Victus, which helps when multitasking between browser tabs and design software. It comes with the Lenovo's AI Engine Plus, which automatically adjusts performance depending on whether you are just typing documents or rendering a complex 3D bridge design, optimizing battery and power. The Lenovo LOQ 15 feels premium than its price. And for civil students, the screen color accuracy is surprisingly good, which helps when looking at detailed maps or architectural plans. The cooling fans can get a bit noisy when rendering complex Revit models, but the laptop stays cool to the touch. The port selection is excellent, allowing you to easily connect to the external monitors for better and bigger presentations. Overall, it is a pro laptop. Acer Nitro V16. Acer Nitro V16 takes the top spot because it provides the best raw performance per penny spent. It usually packs slightly better CPU than its competitor in the same price bracket, which speeds up calculations in structural analysis program. This new model features a larger 16-inch screen with a 16:10 aspect ratio. This taller screen gives you more vertical space, which is incredibly helpful for viewing large CAD drawings and spreadsheets without constant scrolling. If your main priority is getting the maximum power for the lowest price to handle heavy 3D work, this is the one. The new 16-inch screen is a game changer for AutoCAD. Seeing more of your drawings at once makes working much easier. It handles heavy multitasking easily, allowing you to have PDF textbooks open along your design software. The design is a bit bulky and the trackpad is just okay, but the sheer performance you get for rendering and calculation makes it the best one. Overall, this is the best one. So if you need the absolute cheapest entry into the 3D modeling, look at the HP Victus. For balanced machine with the smart features, pick the Lenovo LOQ. But for the best screen size for drafting and raw power, the Acer Nitro V16 is the winner.